In this video, we are going to review how to add a co-teacher to your class. Co-teachers can view your class, monitor student data, and add activities. To add a co-teacher, click on the wheel icon to access your class settings. Under Teacher Settings, click Add, and then type in the full email address of your co-teacher. This needs to be the same email address that your co-teacher used to set up their own teacher Gooru account. It's most likely their school email address. Once it's typed in, press the plus button. The co-teacher's name and email address will appear, and you can click Done. The co-teacher has now been added. You can add multiple co-teachers by following the same steps, and you can remove co-teachers by pressing the trash icon.